Made grown men and women cry.
I am crying.
Plead to a higher power.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
And chug milk like a baby.
I need more milk!
It's the One Chip Challenge by Paqui, where folks try and eat a single chip made with the world's hottest pepper, the Carolina Reaper.
This is a bad idea.
Don't ever do this at home. Yeah, don't ever do this, Chip.
I don't know what to say. As you can probably tell from the title of the video, this is the Paqui One Chip Challenge, which I was excited about before when I first heard about it, but now I'm not so sure. I got my milk, I got my gloves, which apparently I need to handle the chip. You might be able to see in the back, I got some live streaming going on in the back. I got this guy playing with the milk over here. So, I mean, do you dare to go to hell and back? There's no more filibustering at this point. So I got the Fear the Reaper chip over here. And then I got inside any last words. Okay. I kind of want to drink some milk right now because of how dry my mouth is, but I'm not. So my heart is going. See, you know, it's like a Dorito where they cover literally everything. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Any last words? Oh god, why am I doing this? Ready? Did you start the timer? It's not that hot yet. I've been told it gets hotter over time. Let me tell you it does. Okay. Not that bad. As of now. Getting worse. So, let me give you my background on hot stuff. Oh my god. Okay, my background on hot stuff. Woo! Okay. Oh, the throat. Okay, let me take these off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So back on hot stuff. My god. Oh my god. What's the time at? Woo! What's the time? How much? 43. Oh my god, I can't even. Oh, I'm starting to cry. Okay. Oh my god! This is so spicy. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. My entire head feels like Satan just ate it, spit it back out. Oh my god. I got this. No. I'm back. Oh my god, thank you. It's not that I'm gonna throw up, it's just spicy. Oh my god. Ah! Oh! My stomach is starting to kill. Okay, wait for the milk. There's peppers in the milk! Oh, oh that's spicy. That's so spicy. Pass me a banana.
I got two phones in my hands. I don't know if you're supposed to need it.
Oh my god. I'm starting to regret this. Okay.
Just gotta get your face in this. Your eyes are bloodshot.
This is so bad. You guys don't understand. Seriously. Okay. Oh my god. That's really just the lips. Bit of the mouth. It hurts so much. Supposedly, after about 10 minutes, I should be fine. Some might say man's not hot. Right now, this man's quite hot. I wish I had tissues in me. That's a big mistake on my part. It's starting to... I want to say it starts to cool down, but as soon as I say that... Ha 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 ha. Thing is, I kind of want to try the actual Reaper.
If I can find you one, I don't care how much money it will cost, I will buy you one, and I will film you eating it.
Oh, I just swallowed a bit more. My God, my throat! Oh my God.
No, Meisels, he did not pass out, but he cried like a baby for a couple minutes because it was that hot.
Didn't cry. I cheered.
You teared, you cried.
Like a
Same
man.
diff.
Like a man. I'm gonna read to you what this says. Should have read this beforehand, actually. The chip in this box is made with the hottest chili pepper on the planet, the Carolina Reaper, created for the sheer pleasure of intense heat and pain. Subjects can expect short-term loss of speech, followed by extreme profanity, heavy breathing, enhanced sinus functions, and impaired vision from heat-induced tears. Fear the Reaper, and consider yourself warned. I will tell you now. Both you and you. I'll tell you now. Every word on this box is true. Holy God, that was hot. So, I hope anyone that watched this enjoyed it. I'll be reaching out to you, Paqui, to enter that giveaway that you have. Maybe win another one of these chips. And if I win another one of these chips, oh yes, I'll be doing this again. I hope you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. Comment down below if you would consider eating said chip after watching me go through this agony. Also, comment below if you've ever had the Reaper, if you've had a ghost pepper, if you've had the ghost pepper sausage. I have. Let me know what your experience was on it as well. So this is Anon signing out. Hopefully not for the last time, assuming I don't die tonight. And thanks for watching.